Welcome back, guys. Last video we installed the web server and wrote a little test page to check everything's working correctly. So we're nearly done with everything here. One thing I haven't mentioned yet, which comes with the web server, is your database. You can access this by typing in localhost / and typing php myadmin. php myadmin is the user interface of the database system we'll be using. It's very user-friendly. It might look confusing to you right now, but ignore all this. You don't need this for now, okay? You probably won't ever need to pay attention to this stuff. So these right here are our databases. Most of them come by default and you won't ever need to touch them. So we're going to create a new database right now by selecting New. This will come up with this window, and then from there you can type in the name of your database. We're going to call this, I already use the word swell feed, but you can call it that if you want. I'm going to call it social, just so I know it's a social media website database. Go ahead and click create, and you'll see it appears over here on the left. We can click on that, and notice how there's no tables right now. Of course, we haven't created anything. We can do that now. So we'll create a table called test. We'll change this to 2 columns and click go. So when you're creating a table, you have all these options. Don't let this frighten you. It's really simple. So what goes in here is the column name. So we might have a column called ID and another column called name. Now the ID column is going to have numbers. So for the type of column, we keep it as int. But for the name column, it's going to contain strings or words, of course. So we're going to give it a type varchar. And in this next column, length/values, you specify how many values it's going to have. For example, if you know that name is always going to be 3 letters long, then you can just put 3 in there, but we don't know how long someone's name is going to be. So for now we'll put 50. I don't know anybody with a name longer than 50 characters long, so we'll leave it at that. That's it. We can ignore all the rest of this stuff. We don't need to use any of that, and we'll click save. And there we go, our first table.